Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do this look I have on my face right now. It is a kind of like, it's just a blue ocean eyeshadow look. It's very subtle, not subtle, I lied. I'll quit blabbing, and if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this blue wave eyeshadow look, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're going to start out with the Lemonade Eyelid Primer. Definitely use a primer before you use an eyeshadow. It will help keep your eyeshadow on all night long and all day, and help keep it from being patchy, chalky, uneven, unblendable. And you don't even have to use an eyelid primer. You can use a concealer. And I'm going in with the Festival palette, using the teal blue. I lost my eyeshadow palette, so I can't tell you the exact color, but you can see what color it is on here. This is the BH Festival eyeshadow palette. Very beautiful summer colors. And I'm just putting this on my eyelid, and now going in with the dark blue eyeshadow color, putting it on the outside of my lids, blending that out. And you want to use a clean blending brush when you go in to blend out the excess eyeshadow, so you don't add more pigment onto the lids. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline concealer and a cut crease brush to cut the crease, and just putting it on my eyelid. I'm so sorry it's out of focus right now. But I'm going to take it all the way across the lid and blend out the end piece, the end of the concealer. I don't know how to explain it. I'm kind of taking it not all the way to the end, but kind of to the edge. Okay, so I'm going in with the really, light teal blue to put on top of the concealer. This is such a pretty blue. I'm obsessed with that blue color. I'm just dabbing it on. The more you put on, the brighter it'll be. And going in with the first blue color that we did. Oh gosh, it's going too fast. So now I'm going in with the eyeliner. It is the NYX eyeliner that I used in my last video. It is amazing. It works super, super good. Just putting on my eyeliner. And make sure it's dry before you close your lid. And now we are done. And going in with the Mika dry shampoo to finish off the look with my hair, making sure it's not greasy. Do a little hair flip, and then, oh yeah girl, looking good. Yes, work it. And then we're done. Thank you guys for watching. Alright, back up, Kelly. I'm about to record my ending. Okay. Alright, go over there. Come on, hurry. Go, please. Here, come sit with me. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.